Hi, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We are doing a quick update of what's coming for Tin Toys. We have an auction coming September 7th, 2024, so stay tuned for more details. Okay, so let us progress. We have our Tin Toy section coming up in the September 7th auction. Got a little robot action, have a little drummer, which is usual. And then we warm up with a nice Amos and Andy. Really slick police car, forbidden robots. We have a nice big lot of those. We've got a real good race car, champion race car. And we're at AntiqueToys.com, by the way. Outstanding NAR television vehicle. Popeye in the barrel. Woo, gotta zoom back. Okay, how about some race cars? 754. How about a Harley? Nice Japanese motorcycle. Got a great Mazinga in the background. And then a really strong police squad motorcycle with sidecar that I think will be one of the hot numbers. Made by Mark. German electric. And it looks very much like a Mercury, because in fact it's even branded Mercury. Hookie was the maker. I have never seen this in person. Wait for the auction. It's going to be posted probably August 10th or so for the September 7th end of summer auction, premiere auction. Nice little Mark racer. This one's the number 5. Okay, so cheers from Ed. Have a wonderful day. We love our tin toys. We love our American tin. We love our German tin. But at this moment, American tin, Marks, Portland, so forth. So keep us in mind for similar items. And have a great day. Cheers from Ed. And I am at toys at AntiqueToys.com. Take care.